Assalamu alaikum, and I'm happy to be with you again. My name is Abdul Rauf Sivany, and I would like to give you a brief introduction of myself. I'm an MBA professional with over 35 years of experience with Gulf and European banks in the field of treasury, FI, and investments, asset securitization, asset management, retail and corporate banking, consumer banking, current and mutharba regulations, risk management, bills, syndications, legal documentations, policy and procedures, bonds, sukuks and derivatives, equities and commodities, crypto and its mining, hedging, etc., etc. I have fairly strong hold on Shariah regulations, FATF, AML and KYC, FATCA, OFAC, including Basel II and Basel III. My specialties are in treasury, funding, debt capital markets, money markets, foreign exchange, balance sheet management, which is actually window dressing, capital management, liquidity management, ALM, and Islamic finance. I manage liquidity, durations, and interest rate risks, besides credit risks for many institutions that I worked in the Gulf, namely Al Baraka Banking Group, Al Amin Bank, Bahrain, Qatar National Bank Islamic Window, which is QNB Al Islami, Bank Al Fransi, Faisal Group, which is subsidiary of DMI, and so forth. I have marketed successfully Islamic treasury products to financial institutions in the Gulf, Middle East, and Europe, which included but not limited to Murabaha and reverse Murabaha, profit rate swap, currency FX, Islamic Wad, and Sukuks. Strong command over Islamic structuring to provide treasury and capital markets solutions. I have been successful in marketing white label capital protected funds based on equities and fixed income to financial institutions, high net worth individuals, and large corporates. Structured and successfully marketed syndicated trade finance facilities on Murabaha basis with corporates. Assisted as a member of task force of Bahrain Central Bank on standardization of documentation such as Master Muraba Agreement and Profit Rate Swap. Developed and managed foreign exchange platform. Also on the platform, I have developed Islamic money market platform on Wakala, Salaf, which is Amana, Murabaha matching models, assisted in development of crypto mining setup in the Gulf. I developed business plan and documentation for asset management company license from Capital Markets Authority Saudi Arabia, which is named as Gulf Investors Asset Management Company Jeddah. Developed documentations to obtain banking license from Central Bank of Bahrain, which was previously named as Bahrain Monetary Agency for Al Amin Bank, a subsidiary of the Al Baraka Group. Delivered a number of presentations at different forums and conferences on asset securitization, structuring corporate sukuk, and liquidity management. Presented an outline of sukuk repo alternative based on Murabaha, backed by sell by sukuk at IOFI World Bank Conference in Bahrain. I started my banking career by working with the Habib Bank Limited, Karachi, Pakistan, and later I moved to Dubai working with the Middle East Bank Limited. The bank then later merged with Emirates International Bank, which is currently known as Emirates Islamic Bank. Later I joined Saudi Arabia. I joined Bank Al Fransi, which is an affiliate of Bank Al-Suez. Now the Bank Al-Suez is taken over by Credit Agricole. In Bank Al Fransi, I was with credit department, then syndications, then fund management department, and then merger and acquisitions, and lastly in Treasury Department of Bank Al Fransi, dealing in derivatives and money markets and what have you. After Al Fransi, I joined the Dalal Baraka Group in Saudi Arabia, and I was heading Treasury and product development and asset securitization. Later on, I moved to Bahrain with the same group of Dalal Baraka, and I was the first vice president of Al Baraka Banking Group Bahrain. I was heading treasury and investments there. Later on, I moved to Dubai DIFC with a company called Global Commodity Limited. It was an offshoot of DIFC, focusing on Islamic trading platform on the basis of money market and profit rate swap and matching of murabahat and like that. Later, I moved to QNB, Qatar National Bank, Doha, Qatar, and I was in charge of Islamic side of treasury and investments. After that, I moved to Saudi Arabia, and I joined a subsidiary of DMI, Faisal Group. I'm a Master's of Business Administration in Finance. I have also completed the Capital Markets CME exam of Saudi Arabia at CMA, the Capital Markets Authority. I am also a fellow of American Academy of Financial Management, and I am the holder of Certified Cash Flow Manager by AAFM. I have bachelor's degree in commerce, and I have attended a number of professional courses, including but not limited to money markets and FX by Citicorp Investment Management, New York, capital markets and advanced risk management by Euromoney, UK, portfolio management by BPP Bank, UK, financial risk management by Euromoney, UK, bank and country risk by Euromoney, UK, bank and country risk by Thomson Bank Watch, Egypt, capital markets and accounting for derivatives by IIR Dubai, asset and liability management by RRI Dubai, financial risk management by RRIR Dubai, market risk and Basel II and Basel III by IIR Dubai. I've also attended courses on FATF, AML and KYC in Bahrain, in Dubai, and in Qatar. Thank you.